Hi friends, in this video we will be going through some other time and work questions. Okay friends, this is our first question. See here, A can do a piece of work in 120 days whereas B can do it in 150 days. So they work for 20 days, that is together they work for 20 days, and then B leaves, and then A alone continues for 12 days, and after this completion of 12 days C joins A. Okay, and the work is completed in 48 days, that is the remaining work is completed in 48 days. Okay, in how many days can C do it if he works alone? This is the thing they have asked us. Okay friends, now going through this. See here, A alone can complete the work in 120 days whereas B alone can complete the work in 150 days. By taking the LCM we can get here 600, so that A does 5 units of work per day and then B does 4 units of work per day. Okay friends, and then if they work together they will be doing 9 units of work per day, isn't that? Yes, and then here they have told us that they continue to work together for about 20 days. If by doing 9 units of work per day they continue to do 20 days, then they will be completing a work of 180 units, isn't it? Our total work is 600 units. Okay, and then after that B leaves and only A alone continues the work for 12 days. Okay, by doing 5 units of work per day, and then if he does the work for 12 days, then he will be completing 60 more units of work. Okay, total they have completed 240 units of work, isn't that? 180 plus 60, that is 240 units of work, and our remaining work is nothing but 360 units. Okay, 600 minus 240, then we will be getting 360 units of work. And then after that C joins A, that is 5 plus something work done by C is added, and they will be completing this 360 units of work in 48 days. Okay, nothing but they will be doing 7.5 units of work per day if they have completed 360 units of work in 48 days, and then they will be doing a work of 7.5 units per day, isn't that? Okay, then here if we have known that A plus C per day work is 7.5, we already know that A's work is 5 units, and then what will be the C's work? It is nothing but 2.5, isn't it? C's work is nothing but 2.5. Okay friends, what did they ask us? In how many days can C do it if he works alone? Our total work is 600 units and the work efficiency of C is 2.5. Okay, then he can complete the work of 600 in how many days? Nothing but 240 days. Okay friends, this is our answer. Okay friends, isn't that simple? First we have taken in how many days they can complete the work, and then we have taken LCM that the complete work is 600 units, and by step we have gone through it. A and B together worked for 20 days, and then A alone worked for 12 days, and then after that A and C together have completed the work. By going through these steps we have got that C's work is nothing but 2.5. The total work is 600 units and A's work efficiency is 2.5 units per day, then he can complete the work in 240 days. Okay friends, now we will be moving to our next question. See friends, this is also very simple. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, and then B and C can do it in 15 days. Okay, here they have given us A is twice as good as workman as C. So the work efficiency between A and C is nothing but 2:1. Okay friends, by taking LCM for these two, A and B are doing a work of 5 units, and then B and C are doing a work of 4 units. Okay friends, here B is constant and then A equal to 2C, isn't that, as A's work efficiency is twice that of C. Okay, by knowing this we can get A's work is 2 units, B's work is 3 units, and then C's work is 1 unit. Okay, I think you have understood this. And then what did they ask us? Find in what time B alone can do it. The total work is 60 units and the B's work efficiency is 3 units per day, so that he can complete 60 units of work in 20 days. Okay friends, isn't that simple? Okay, I think you understood this question also. We have taken just LCM and we have known what is the work efficiency of A and B and then B and C. By knowing this, that is A is twice as good as workman as C, we have taken A and C work ratio as 2:1. By substituting in these equations, that is A plus B is equal to 5 and then B plus C equal to 4, we got as A's work efficiency is 2 units, B's work efficiency is 3 units, and then C's work efficiency is 1 unit. The question they have asked us is, in how many days B alone can complete the work? Yes. Okay, that is total work is 60 units and B's work efficiency is 3 units, so that B can complete the work in 20 days. Okay friends, I think you are also clear with this. And this is our next question friends. This is somewhat complicated but not as much. See friends, here 45 men can complete the work in 16 days. If we have taken that one man efficiency is 1 unit, then we can get his total work as 720. Isn't that 45 into 16? Then we will be getting 720, I think. So by taking 720 as total work units, okay, then 6 days after they started working, 30 more men joined them. Okay, 6 days, that is they have worked for 45 into 6, nothing but 270 units. They have completed a work of 270 units and then the remaining work will be 450 units, isn't that? Now here, along with this 45, 30 more men joined, nothing but 45 plus 30, that is 75 men are working in this 450 units of work. Okay, how many days will they now take to complete the work? Now see friends, here 450 by 75, nothing but 6 days. Okay, in 6 days they have completed this 450 units of work, but earlier also they have worked for 6 days. Now in how many days? For completion of total work, they will be taking 6 plus 6, nothing but 12 days should be your answer. Okay friends, I think you have understood this question. Once we will see it again. See here, 45 men have worked for it and then they have worked for 16 days. By taking this, we can get our total work as 720 units. Okay, 6 days after their work, 30 more men joined. If these 45 men have worked for 6 days, they will be completing 270 units of work. Then from this 720, what the work remaining? It is nothing but 450 units. Now along with this 45 men, 30 more men have joined, so that the total working men are 75. Okay, these 75 members can complete 450 units of work in 6 days, isn't it? 75 1, 75 6. Now what the question they have asked us, in how many days will they now take to complete the work? Earlier they are taking 16 days. Now they will be taking this 6 days, and then also earlier they have worked for 6 days. Isn't that? Now they will be completing the work in 12 days. Okay friends, I think you have understood this. Now we will be moving to our next question. See friends, this is also very simple. Here 8 men can complete the work in 20 days. take it. And then 8 women can complete the same work in 32 days. Okay. What did the question they ask? In how many days will 5 men and 8 women? Here you will be taking 5 men and then 8 women take together to complete the same work. Here the same work they will be taking nothing but, if you have taken here 160, 8 men will be doing 8 units of work per day, and then 8 women will be doing 5 units of work per day. Now the work efficiency of men is 1 unit and the work efficiency of women is 5 by 8. As 8 women are doing 5 units of work, then 1 woman can do 5 by 8 unit of work. See here, 8 women are doing 5 units of work, then 1 woman can do 5 by 8 unit of work. I think you are clear with this. Now here the total work we have got is 160. What did they ask us? 5 men, nothing but here they will be having 5 units of work, and then 8 women, 8 into 5 by 8. Here they will also be having 5 units of work. Okay, then the total work is becoming 10 units, isn't it? In our question they have given us that 5 men are doing and then 8 women are also working. Okay, as working efficiency of men is 1 unit, they will be having 5 units of work per day, and then as working efficiency of women is 5 by 8 and then 8 women are working, the total work done by 8 women per day is 5 units. If we have taken the total work done by 5 men and then 8 women, it is becoming 10 units of work. 5 men and 8 women can complete 10 units of work per day. Now what is the total work? It is nothing but 160 units, isn't it? So that by doing 10 units of work per day, they can complete 160 units of work in 16 days. Isn't that simple, friends? Yes, I think this is also simple. Okay, just by taking the LCM we can get this question answer. Okay friends, thank you.